Welcome back to Four-Wheel Drive Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and it's snowing again here in California. So we're doing a little night run. Make a little loop out in the Eagle Lakes. We'll see how far we can make it. It's just beautiful to see some fresh powder falling after almost 2 months of not a single drop of snow or rain. So we're just gonna go have some fun. Just made it into staging area for Fordyce and Signal Peak trails, and from here we're just gonna make a little loop. Well, there's a little bit of fresh powder on the ground, but snow underneath is all ice. Outside temperature is low 30s. I think it's like 31 or maybe even already 29, but it's snowing, but we're driving on icy roads, so it's kind of sketchy in a bit and fun at the same time. The fresh powder gives you that extra little grip on the ice, so you're not totally ice skating on this stuff. And there's quite a bit of puddles out here, so it's really cool. That was first big puddle at the beginning of the split between Fordyce and the I guess Eagle Lakes loop. So we turned on Eagle Lakes loop, and it's really icy, but it's beautifully snowing outside. That makes the whole adventure that much more exciting. Another deep water crossing. This is getting interesting. Some flexy ice over here. Let's see. Well, we made it to one of the big challenges on this one. There's a big ice flexy stuff and a pond. So we'll see how the Ram is gonna make it in there or not. This wheel's not spinning, bump it. Too much. Вот так and bump it. And bump it. You're okay. Oh, here comes the big drop off. And he's stuck. Well, looks like he's stuck.
What is that?
Yep, on the skid plate. You're on the skid plate, bro. Didn't quite make it. Well, now we got two cars anchoring a Jeep, so we can winch them out from the Jeep. There's some progress. There's some progress. Think he's out. All right, he's out. Let's regroup. Things about to get interesting. The ram's about to jump off the cliff. Yep, he's through. Attempt number 2. Almost. One more time. You're not hitting anything.
I think это колесо вперед.
Yeah, because you're pushing it. One more. That's how it's done. When in doubt, throttle out. So, Toyota's next. Let's go. You need a supercharger, man. Not enough RPMs.
Стойте там.
Not enough at the belly clearance.
Вот так, да. Оп, right back to the same spot.
Да, смотри.
Если бы дерева не было, можно было правее брать, а так он это тебя сносит в сторону и все.
Few more times and you're gonna knock the whole ridge off.
Фривей построишь, давай еще пару раз.
Молодец, вы.
Go. Up. You popped your bead. But you got up. Hold on. You popped your bead off.
Окей, что сделать?
You need to,
Чуть вперед проедь.
if you can. I don't know if you can.
Он
No, he's hitting a tree.
Все, сейчас забудь.
No, you're in the tree. Well, when he came up on the ledge, he smacked the tire hard and being at 10 or 12 psi, it just popped it off the bead. So we'll get it back on the bead and keep going. Just part of the adventure all the time. There it is. Well, looks like it's my turn now, so let's go get my Jeep. This spot is a little bit more challenging than I expected. It's really deep water here, muddy underneath, and a big ice ledge to get up on top. The Toyota made it just because he has a little bit of a more wheelbase than I do, so even my big tires didn't help me. So I'll give this one to Toyota. He got up with a little bit of a tire popping off, but he got it. So we're just winching through this because we're just the beginning of the trail, and it's getting late. We're gonna be home sometime next day basically. So, but it's pretty fun, not too cold, it's still snowing, which makes this whole trip that much better. I love it. All right, so we got a snatch block with the tree saver around the tree, and we're doing pulling the 4Runner up the hill. Passenger, passenger, passenger. All right, looks like he's on the belly. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me anchor. We're anchoring the Jeep so it can pull the 4Runner out of that big ditch over there. He's almost out. Almost out.
Keep it straight.
There he is. There we go.
Stop.
Okay, stop. All right, let's pack everything up and keep going. This is becoming more and more interesting. Well, we got through that obstacle. Let's see what lies ahead. So far, this is just a night run of recoveries. Recovering ourselves here and there. The one behind our church.
Как только ты спустился, сразу бери этот деревьям, которые завалены, бежать. К ним бег, а потом вокруг камней бежать.
камни лежат.
We're making our way almost back to where we started, and it's almost time to stop and have some snack. So it's beautifully snowing. We've done some challenging things. Time to take a little break and finish this loop. So stay tuned. We'll be out here soon. Well, it's time to take a break and have some tea, because it's cold outside.
It's not cold.
Tea is good. Tea is good. Well, this little loop is really fun in the snow, but it's ice and snow, so all we got is a river crossing and then highway. So we're almost out of this, but it's snowing awesomely. Let me turn on the light bar so we can actually see the snow. Look at that. Woohoo! And we're only at like 6,000 feet. So it's really good. I like this little night run. Not too far away from home. Right by Fordyce and Signal Peak trails. So without major incidents so far. Even a little Forerunner on 32s is capable to get through behind us with a little bit of winching, because some of that ice pack is really high. So overall, I think it's a successful trip. Well, break is over. Time to roll across the river and out onto the pavement. Well, we had a little breakdown. A bolt, U-bolts broke down on this axle, so we've snapped 2 U-bolts, and leaf spring has jumped the leaf inside the perch into the other hole in there, so it's not holding it in the right position. We took the shock off so we can put it back in there, so that's what we're struggling with. No big deal, we'll get it done. No. Все, стоп, опускайте хайджак. Ну, она не попала, но опускай хайджак, мы сейчас выпрыгнем с хайджака. Только да, не получай по зубам. Не надо.
Не стой.
We got that fixed. We got the leaf spring popped back into its place. We put a strap on there for security reasons, so it doesn't come off of it. So it should get us home, and then we can work on it later. So off we go. That's where we are. So we just fixed the green Jeep, got its leaf spring back on track, and now we're trying to pass this nasty spot where in the shade there's a bunch of ice and the water running down, creating this cavern in the water. So it's kind of really bad. I just got through here. Not really nice way of coming down right here, but better than flipping over. So now we're gonna wait for the ramp to break the path for the other guys, and then we should have everybody come through. One more time. One more time. One more. Oh, the back almost out. few more times should get you out. Yeah, it's kind of bad. All right, well, we made a path. It's off camber, but it's a path. Nazad. Back up, back up. Now. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And that's all she wrote. That's it. Now we gotta get the smallest vehicle of the pack. No, he needs to come this way. Yeah. Come this way. More, more, more. Yep, 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 yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah. Stop. Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Back up a little bit. And then full throttle through here. Back up and then floor it.
Ready?
Yep, go. Go, 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 go. Back up a little bit.
О, давай, еще раз.
Go. Nope, back up a little more.
Левее сделай.
Пускай разгон больше.
Чуть-чуть driver.
Больше разгона, больше,
You're
больше.
good, you're good. You're not breaking anything. And it died.
Разгону больше бери. Разгону.
Go back. I think he's stuck. Yeah.
Ну, пускай назад.
No, no, no.
Go back straight.
No. He has no other. Well, the little Toyota got stuck, so I'm gonna go get my Jeep and yank him out with booba rope because we're almost out. And whew, I'm tired already. It's midnight, so getting really tired. Quick and easy, we got the little guy out. So it looks like we're about to get to the main road, inflate our tires, and drive home about an hour so we can go to bed. That is awesome. I mean, fresh powder outside. It's just snowing. I love it. Well, we're back out to the highway, pumping our tires. It was quite a journey. Normally this little trail is not that difficult, but with that much snow and ice that's still there in the shades, and with the fresh powder on top and cold weather, created a heck of a challenge for us. But our little group got through it with no major breakdowns. Only a few tires came off the beads, a couple other issues, leaf spring broke down and here and there, but on that everything's smooth. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked this little night snow run adventure, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. See ya.